Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks!
What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got a super fun unboxing, more of a show and tell to share with you guys. Many of you, just by seeing who this is from, you know exactly what's about to happen. If you are new, I'm about to open up some stuff and share with you guys some, definitely some expensive knives, likely customized. I don't know what they are. He didn't tell me, which is exciting. But if you've come to my channel and think, does he only show expensive stuff? Like, I'm just looking for inexpensive practical stuff. I actually have a whole playlist of over 250 uploads consisting of nothing but knives that are practical and cost less than $75. So if this isn't your thing, no worries. Take a look at that stuff. But for everybody else who just wants to see some really, really crazy stuff, I'm about to open these up and see what we've got. Thanks so much to Sierra_bound on Instagram for loaning me some things from his personal collection to share with you guys. I don't get to keep these. These will go back to him when I'm done. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex and on TikTok at _metal_complex. In true Sierra fashion, he's actually told me which one he wants me to open first and second. So this one says to open it first. So we're going to move this one out of the way, and we're going to see what we've got here. So we got a little note. We got to do this the right way, right? See what we've got here just real quick. See what he's put in this note, which is so expertly folded. I'm having an issue getting the piece of paper completely open. There we go. Oh, it says absolutely nothing. So that's great. There are no instructions. I'll just leave that right there. And let's see what we have. Probably going to want to put a glove on. Not because it's delicate, but to keep the fingerprints off of the knife while I showcase it. So, what do we have? What do we have? There could be literally anything in here. Oh God. Mokame. What is it? Ooh, it's a holy moly. That's a Francois Du Toit. Oh God, that is so beautiful. Holy, wow. Is it a, this is a new, it's like a top flipper. Oh God, zero etch, most likely Damasteel. Absolutely beautiful. Absolutely stunning. Look at that pivot. Damasteel, likely. Pocket clip. Damasteel backspacer. Oh! So we have like a bronze or a gold titanium scale. So if you don't know, this is a custom South African knife maker. And I own one of his knives. I own a TF4 myself. I can't remember if mine has the exact same front flipper. These are entirely made by hand. Entirely. A true handmade custom knife is going to be made with premium materials in, perfect execution. And as far as custom knives go, I think Francois Du Toit has some of the best overall execution, nicest materials to cost ratio. It is truly phenomenal. I mean, make no mistake, this is a hyper expensive knife that very few people will be interested in. But for people actually collecting custom knives, this is one of the most impressive knife makers out there for the money. That is so gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Wow. Scott, this is absolutely beautiful. Has to be, I'm going to guess Mokame. It's not Mocha Thai. That's what it looks like to me. That's so gorgeous, man. I haven't handled something like this in so long. Yeah, that's a top flipper. I feel like mine's, I'm not going to get mine out because it's so buried, but this is so beautiful. I am just absolutely in awe. And you know what? It makes me feel like I need to order another, that I need to get another Francois Du Toit in my collection here. So let's very carefully let's just put that one right up here, right? And then let's find out what we have here for the second one. I feel Scott usually sends me something that's customized. So I feel like Maybe, is this going to be something customized, or is it going to be another, like, actual custom? Oh, okay. This is a hinderer. Nope, I'm just completely wrong. What? I'm completely wrong. I thought that this would be the flipper tab. I was like, this has got to be like a customized hinderer. Oh my gosh. Okay, hold on. So is this is a flipper. But this is engraved. Oh my goodness. Absolutely stunning. Mirror polished and engraved. Has to be probably a separate piece of titanium on the front. Look at the pivot. Oh God. The pivot is made of Damasteel. This is absurd. What? Whoa. How do we get a pattern like this? Oh my gosh. Look at that. Oh man. This is wild. So I'm lucky that I get to show stuff like this on this channel. Like this is stuff that's not normally showcased on knife channels, right? So it just happened to be that Scott and I made friends and that he was willing to send stuff from his absolutely ridiculous knife collection, right? Love it or hate it. Like, this is absolute wild stuff, right? So I just feel so blessed that I am able to showcase this on my channel. And just experience it in general. It's stuff like this it creates this contrast where, man, this is so cool. Now I need a flipper. So this is, yeah, that must be Damacor. Mine is Damacor, but look at this. Like how they got these layers to come through on their own. Here's the core line right there, out to the tip, and then your jacket around the outside. So if you're not familiar, if you don't know what I'm saying, Damacor, that's made by the Damasteel company who makes Damasteel. Damasteel is specialized, performance-oriented powdered Damascus, right? Damasteel is PMC 27 and RWL 34, and the idea there is performance and able to take a beautiful finish. Damacor, they have a few different versions. They have the RWL 34 core version of it, so it's like a Damasteel jacket and then an RWL 34 core, which sometimes they use to get a better finish. And then they have the performance version of it, which is a Damasteel jacket and a roughly their version of Van Axe for the core. No idea which one this is, but it's definitely, I mean, I would venture to guess definitely Damacor, given that he's worked with them in the past. This is spectacular. Absolutely spectacular. Look at the pocket clip. Oh my goodness. Backspacer file work. Oh God. That's so nice. Yeah. These are two of the nicest custom knives I think that I have shown on this channel. And Scott, I feel nothing but jealousy. And happy. No, I feel jealousy, but I am happy that you own these. These are so cool, so wonderful. Thank you so much for allowing me to share. You guys will definitely see these on social media. You will see them on my TikTok, my Instagram. You'll see them in YouTube Shorts. Probably going to be some fun, epic stuff. You've probably seen them even before this unboxing, but this goes down into top 10 unboxing history on this channel. This is absolutely magnificent, so cool. Even though I don't get to keep these, I'm really happy that I got to experience them and share them with you guys. And what I'll probably do is get all of the details for this stuff, because I don't have the detailed information. He obviously wanted to just send it to me and surprise me. But I'll get all the details for these knives, and then we'll do a full overview in a separate video with all the information. Scott will probably be in the comments, so if you guys have questions, feel free to leave Scott a comment down there, and maybe he'll reply. But for today, I think that's going to be pretty much it. Thanks again to Scott, Sierra_bound on Instagram. Make sure you guys give him a follow. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex and on TikTok at _metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. If you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.